Hello, beautiful people, and welcome back to the channel. Today's video is all about jeans, but not just any jeans. We're talking about how elegant women wear them. As we move into the fall season, jeans become the foundation of so many outfits, from casual coffee runs to polished city strolls. But the difference between looking put together and looking just casual lies in the details. The colors you pair them with, the textures you choose, and the overall mood you create. So today, we'll explore how to make denim feel classy, intentional, and truly elegant, the way sophisticated women wear it. Number 1. Jeans with brown shades. There's something undeniably refined about pairing jeans with brown tones. Shades like chocolate, taupe, camel, and espresso bring warmth and richness to denim, turning a basic look into one that feels autumnal, cozy, and expensive. Brown hues instantly elevate jeans by softening the contrast that harsher colors can sometimes create, giving your outfit a calm and graceful balance. Think of these colors as the foundation of an elegant fall palette. They work beautifully with every skin tone, every denim wash, and every setting, from brunch to a relaxed evening out. For example, if you're wearing ecru or white denim, adding a brown suede jacket can instantly create a sophisticated and balanced fall look. You can also incorporate brown tones subtly through accessories, a belt, handbag, or pair of boots in rich chocolate or caramel shades. These small details make a big difference. They create harmony in your outfit without overpowering it, giving you that polished appearance that looks thought out but still natural. Number 2. Jeans with knit clothes. When it comes to fall fashion, nothing complements jeans better than knitwear. Whether it's a soft sweater, a cardigan, or a turtleneck, pairing denim with cozy knits creates that perfect mix of comfort and elegance. It's simple, it's warm, and it always looks effortlessly chic. Elegant women know that the secret isn't about wearing flashy pieces, it's about mastering timeless combinations that look put together with minimal effort. The beauty of knitwear lies in its versatility. You can style it casually for daytime, maybe with a long trench coat or structured wool coat layered over your sweater. Or make it more elevated by choosing refined textures like fine wool, cashmere, or ribbed cotton. Neutral tones like beige, cream, gray, or camel bring a sense of calm luxury to the entire outfit, while thicker, textured knits add a bit of cozy depth that's perfect for the cooler months. If you love wearing oversized sweaters, pay attention to balance. Pair them with straight leg or slim, structured jeans to keep your silhouette harmonious. This small styling choice makes your legs appear longer and gives your body a cleaner, more flattering line. On the other hand, if your jeans are relaxed or wide leg, go for a more fitted knit on top. It's all about maintaining proportion. Number 3. Jeans with basic layering. One of the simplest yet most powerful ways to style jeans elegantly is through basic layering. When done right, this approach gives you that "I didn't try too hard, but I still look amazing" kind of look. Combining denim with well-chosen basics, like shirts, blazers, turtlenecks, and coats, creates an appearance that's polished, natural, and sophisticated all at once. Elegant women understand that true style isn't about excess. It's about balance, proportion, and knowing how to layer the right pieces. Think of it this way. Basic doesn't mean boring. When you pair jeans with essential wardrobe staples, you're building a look that's clean and modern. For example, layering a classic button-up shirt under a blazer or trench coat instantly makes jeans look more sophisticated. Or try a simple t-shirt or turtleneck sweater under a wool coat for a minimalist, classy vibe. The key lies in mixing textures and tones subtly, letting the simplicity of each piece highlight your natural style. Take the example of the woman in the photo. She's wearing wide-leg jeans with a white button-up shirt, a black blazer, and a gray sweater casually draped over her shoulders. It's such a simple outfit, yet it radiates elegance and confidence. There's no loud color or complicated styling, just well-fitted basics, thoughtful layering, and an eye for proportion. That's the secret to looking stylish without ever appearing like you're trying too hard. Number 4. Jeans with red items. There's something undeniably romantic about the combination of denim and red. This pairing feels timeless yet full of life. A little bold, a little nostalgic, and always stylish. It's that perfect balance between casual coolness and sophisticated femininity. The mix of red and denim carries a subtle Parisian charm, elegant but never overdone. It gives off that effortless retro vibe, reminiscent of the classic women of old French films who looked refined even in the most basic outfits. A simple red accent against blue denim feels vibrant, confident, and full of personality. You don't have to go all in with red clothing either. A pop of color in the right place can make all the difference. Try adding red through shoes, a handbag, or even a scarf. Each touch creates harmony and energy without overwhelming the look. Jeans naturally ground the color, keeping it wearable and chic for everyday life. Together, they tell a story of timeless confidence, modern, classic, and beautifully feminine. It's proof that you don't need loud patterns or complicated designs to stand out. Sometimes one bold color is all it takes to make a statement. Number 5. Jeans with short outerwear. Short outerwear is making a big comeback this season, especially in faux leather, suede jackets, and funnel neck trench styles. These cropped silhouettes perfectly complement high-waisted jeans, highlighting the waistline and creating that balanced, elongated figure that elegant women love. Unlike long coats that often cover most of the outfit, shorter jackets allow your styling underneath to shine, adding layers, depth, and personality to your overall look. This trend is all about contrast and structure. A cropped suede jacket brings warmth and texture to light-wash denim, while a black faux leather piece instantly adds an edge that's both chic and modern. These jackets are incredibly versatile. They can make your outfit casual for daytime coffee runs or sleek for a dinner night out. If you want to add a little twist, wear something unexpected underneath your jacket, like a satin or lace top. It brings a subtle, graceful touch that contrasts beautifully with the stronger texture of leather or suede. It's that small detail that transforms a simple jeans and jacket combo into something truly fashion-forward. The woman who knows how to play with textures, soft meets structured, romantic meets bold, always stands out with quiet poise. Number 6. Denim on denim. Denim on denim is one of those classic trends that never truly disappears from the fashion scene. It simply evolves with each season. Whether it's a jean jacket paired with classic jeans or a matching denim shirt and pants set, this look gives off a polished yet relaxed energy that perfectly fits the fall aesthetic. What truly makes this style work is how you mix different textures, washes, and shapes, creating harmony without looking overly coordinated. You can go for light wash denim on denim for a more casual daytime look. Think coffee dates or weekend strolls. Or, if you prefer something moodier, dark denim combinations bring an instantly elevated feel, especially when paired with structured accessories and sleek hairstyles. The great thing about denim sets is their versatility. They can be dressed up or down, layered with outerwear, or styled minimally for a refined, modern look. And if you want to give your outfit more personality, it's all in the details. Try adding a statement belt to define your waist, a contrasting handbag to break the monotony, or a silk scarf for a soft, graceful finish. These small additions bring depth and character to your outfit, transforming a simple denim pairing into a sophisticated and contemporary ensemble that naturally draws attention. Number 7. Choose well-fitted jeans. If there's one thing that instantly makes denim look expensive and sophisticated, it's the fit. No matter how trendy the style, poorly fitted jeans can ruin an otherwise elegant outfit. Finding a pair that truly complements your body shape is worth every minute spent in the fitting room. When it comes to styles, focus on clean and flattering silhouettes like wide leg, straight leg, flare, or slim straight jeans. These cuts not only elongate your frame, but also balance your proportions beautifully, making them ideal for creating a refined appearance. Avoid overly tight or distressed styles. Instead, go for jeans with a structured form and smooth fabric that holds its shape. The goal is to achieve a look that feels both comfortable and graceful. Think of jeans as your foundation piece, Once you find the perfect fit, everything else you wear instantly looks more intentional and stylish. A well-fitted pair of jeans isn't just clothing, it's quiet confidence in fabric form. And that's it, my loves. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss new uploads. I'd also love to hear your thoughts. Which of these jean combinations was your favorite? Share it in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, beautiful people. Stay stylish, stay confident, and I'll see you in the next video.